Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Emma, and today we are going to talk about my family.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Emma, thank you for joining me today.
Thank you, Daniel. I am happy to be here.
Today we are talking about family.
Yes, family is very important.
I agree. Family is a big part of our lives.
That is true.
Emma, do you have a big family?
Yes, I do. My family is quite big.
Really? That sounds nice.
Yes, I have my parents, 2 brothers, and 1 sister.
Wow, that is a big family. What about you, Daniel? My family is smaller.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Who are they?
My father, my mother, my sister, and me.
That sounds wonderful.
Yes, I love my family very much.
Me too.
Let's talk about our parents.
Great idea.
My father is very kind.
That is nice.
He likes reading books.
My father likes reading too.
Really?
Yes, he reads every evening.
My father reads before bed.
Reading is a good habit.
I agree. What is your mother's personality?
My mother is friendly and caring.
She sounds lovely. She always helps our family.
My mother is also very caring.
What does she like to do?
She likes cooking.
What is her favorite food to cook?
She likes making chicken and rice.
That sounds delicious.
Yes, it is very tasty.
Do you help your mother in the kitchen?
Sometimes I do.
What do you do?
I wash vegetables and set the table.
That is helpful.
Thank you.
Let's talk about brothers and sisters.
Sure.
I have one sister.
How old is she?
She is 16 years old.
Is she a student?
Yes, she is.
What does she like?
She likes music and drawing.
Those are fun hobbies.
What about your brothers?
My brothers like sports.
Which sports?
They like football and basketball.
Do they play every day?
Almost every day.
That is great.
Yes, they enjoy it.
And your sister?
She likes singing.
Wow, that sounds interesting.
She sings very well.
Does your family spend time together?
Yes, we do.
What do you do together?
We watch movies and eat dinner together.
That sounds fun. What does your family do together? We like playing board games.
Nice.
We also go to the park on weekends.
Family time is important.
Yes, it is.
I think family gives us support.
I agree completely.
They help us when we have problems.
That is true.
They also celebrate our successes.
Yes, they do. Daniel, what is your favorite family memory?
My favorite memory is a family picnic.
Tell me about it.
We went to a beautiful park.
Sounds nice.
We ate food, played games, and took photos.
That sounds like a wonderful day.
It really was. My favorite family memory is a holiday trip.
Where did you go?
We visited a small town near the mountains.
Wow,
We had a great time together.
that sounds amazing.
Thank you.
Emma, let's learn some family vocabulary.
Great idea.
The word parents means mother and father.
Yes. Example, my parents are very kind.
The word brother means a male sibling.
Example, my brother likes football.
The word sister means a female sibling.
Example, my sister likes music.
The word family means the people related to you.
Example, I love my family.
These are useful words.
Yes, many people use them every day.
Let's learn a simple sentence.
Okay,
I have one brother.
I have 2 sisters.
Very easy.
Yes, beginners can practice these sentences.
Let's talk about grammar.
Good idea.
We say, I have a brother.
We do not say I have a brother.
Correct.
Have is the correct verb.
Another example is, she has a sister.
Notice the word has.
We use has with he, she, and it.
That is an important grammar point.
Yes, it is.
Let's give more examples.
He has 2 brothers.
She has 1 sister.
I have 3 cousins.
They have a big family.
Excellent.
Very good examples.
Dear listeners, what about your family? How many people are in your family?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to read your answers. Emma, do you call your family every day?
Yes, I do.
That is nice.
I like talking with them.
Family conversations are important.
I agree.
What do you usually talk about?
We talk about our day.
Simple conversations are meaningful.
Yes, they are.
Do you have grandparents?
Yes, I do.
Tell me about them.
They are very kind and wise.
That is wonderful.
I enjoy listening to their stories.
Grandparents often tell interesting stories.
Yes, they do.
I love hearing family stories too.
Me too.
Family helps us learn many things.
That is true.
They teach us values.
They teach us kindness and respect.
Very important lessons.
Absolutely.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And share this podcast with your friends.
Thank you for supporting us.
We really appreciate it.
Emma, what do you love most about your family?
I love their support.
That is a great answer.
They're always there for me.
My family is the same.
We are lucky.
Yes, we are. Family makes life better.
I completely agree.
Today's topic was very enjoyable.
Yes, it was.
We talked about parents, brothers, sisters, and grandparents,
We also learned useful English vocabulary.
and some simple grammar.
I hope our listeners learned something new today.
I hope so too. Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye.